My people, we back again. I'm no longer introducing myself, man. Ngoba ngi-VIP yasemhlabeni. Yabo, sesengiphethe amanye ama-VIP and angisa-introduce mina. Hello, introduce sis.
Shaba fethu igama nguSinde Ngwakanene kodwa ama-VIP yasemhlabeni afana nawe angibiza ngo-under ama-2K and nami ngiyi-2K.
Okay, I second that. I have the proof, by the way.
Yes, and that's on Projal.
Oh yeah, bangifundisa nami 2 o'clock is again. So you guys are like 2 o'clock is. So how are you feeling right now? The vibe, we've been here for a while.
Yeah.
Like how are you taking it in before I ask you some questions?
The vibe is vibing. Kade ngifikile, so obviously vibe gradually iyenyuka kancane kancane. So now I think the vibe is at its peak. It feels so good to be home. I'm loving my meet and greets nabantu bami kade ngathi ngibabona, the catch up sessions. So I'm feeling good. Ngizile ngisuthi nginayo into yokudrinka. Mfethu nje angisodinga lutho.
And uyayithandela ukudla futhi kube kungekho.
Ngabe usengabile ngolala. Ngabe sengabile khona.
Uzohamba kanjani kwi-line up?
Hayibo, bengizothanda umqashi ukuthi engilambile mina manje.